Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about XML. XML is a generalized way of describing hierarchical structured data. An XML document contains one or more elements, which are delimited by start and end tags. For example, this one with the demo tag and the demo end tag is a very basic, simple XML document. Every start tag must be closed, met by a corresponding end tag. Let's add one more element, book, the start and end tag element, book inside element demo is set to be a sub-element or child of demo element. The first element in every XML document is called the root element. An XML document can only have one root element. This is not an XML document because it has two root elements. Elements can have attributes, which are name value pairs. Attributes are listed within the start tag of an element and separated by white spaces. Attribute values must be quoted. We may use either single or double quotes. For example, let's make this one a root element and add the attribute lang English for language and book ID Python and language English. The demo element has one attribute, lang. The value of lang attribute is en for English. The book element has two attributes, id and lang. The value of id is Python and for the lang is en for English. There is no limit to the number of attributes you can define on each element. Elements can have text content. For example, learn Python programming. Elements that contain no text and no children are empty. For example, we're just going to move the book element inside of a demo element. Just make it simple. And this is a empty element. There is a shorthand for writing empty elements by putting a / character in the start tag, and you can skip the end tag. So for example, you just need this one over here and add the / and remove the end tag. XML elements can be declared in different namespaces. Namespaces usually look like URLs. We can use XML Decoration, define a default namespace. A namespace decoration looks similar to an attribute, but it has different purpose. So let's see example of it. For example, feed XML NS and the URL. I will just paste the whole URL. And we have title, learn XML, and the end of feed tag. The feed element in this is HTTP, these forward slashes, and www.w3.org, and so on up to Adam. The title element is also in this namespace over here. The namespace decoration affects the element where it's declared, plus all the child elements. We can also use an XML NS prefix declaration to define a namespace and associate it with the prefix. Then each element in that namespace must be explicitly declared with the prefix. So over here, for example, we'll add Adam over here and feed and column Adam. And this will become Adam and Atom title. Need to close this title. Atom feed. The feed element is in this namespace over here, and also the title element is also in this namespace. XML documents can also contain character encoding information on the first line before the root element. For example, this line over here. Here we have set encoding to UDF8. So this is a basic introduction to XML. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.